Before you submit that essay, publish that blog, or send that client draft, pause for a second. Because today the question is not only, is my writing good? The question is also, would this be flagged as AI? And that is exactly what we are checking today with CopyChecker's AI Detector. Here we are on the CopyChecker website. Go to the writing tools and then select AI Detector. This is CopyChecker's AI Detector. It helps you check whether your text looks AI-generated, human-written, or somewhere in between. You can use it for essays, assignments, blog posts, client content, research drafts, emails, or any writing where originality and trust matter. At the top, you can see the main input area. On the left side, you paste or write your text. On the right side, you get the result. Right now, it shows 0% because we have not checked anything yet. After checking, this panel shows 3 important results: AI-generated, human and AI mixed, human-written. This is useful because not every text is fully AI or fully human. Sometimes a draft may be mostly human but still have some AI-like patterns. Sometimes AI text is edited enough to look mixed. So instead of giving only one simple level, CopyChecker gives you a clearer breakdown. One important thing: an AI detector should not be used as only proof against someone, but it can be very useful as a warning signal. For students, it helps before submission. For writers, it helps before delivery. For teachers and editors, it helps review content faster. Let's test it. I am pasting a short paragraph here. At the bottom, you can see the word count. CopyChecker shows how many words you have added, so you know your limit before running the check. For free users, the AI Detector comes with monthly words, and the toolpage supports checking text directly from the browser. You do not need to install anything. Beside the input area, there is also an upload option. So, if your content is already in a document, you do not need to copy everything manually. You can upload your file and scan the content. This is useful for assignments, reports, blog drafts, long documents, and client files. Within a few seconds, we get the result. Alright, let's slow down and actually understand this result. CopyChecker shows the percentage of AI-generated text, mixed text, and human-written text. This helps you understand the content instead of guessing. If the AI percentage is too high, that means the writing may sound too machine-like. If the mix score is high, it may mean the content has both human and AI patterns. If the human-written percentage is high, the content looks more natural. The best part is the analysis. CopyChecker does not only show a score, it also helps you understand which parts may look AI-like. This is very important because a percentage alone does not tell you what to improve. When you can see the suspicious parts, you can revise those sections more carefully. For example, AI text often has repetitive sentence structure, overly polished wording, generic explanations, predictable transitions, no real personal detail. Same rhythm again and again. So the goal is not to panic, the goal is to find the weak parts and improve them. After the scan, you can also download the report. This is helpful if you need to save proof, share it with a client, show it to a team, or keep it for your own record. For students, this can be useful before submission. For writers, it can help during client delivery. For editors, it makes review easier. Here is CopyChecker explains what an AI detector is. An AI detector checks whether a piece of text was likely written by a human or generated by AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, and others. This is important because AI writing is everywhere now. But the problem is not just AI use. The real problem is unclear authorship. People want to know, was this written by the student? Or was this written by the freelancer? Was this written by the brand? Was this copied from AI without review? CopyChecker helps answer this question faster. How to use CopyChecker's AI content detector? The process is simple. Step 1, paste or upload your content. Step 2, click Detect AI. Step 3, review the detailed result. That is it. No complicated setup, no software, no extension, just paste, scan and review. Now let's look at the features. CopyChecker gives advanced text analysis. That means it goes beyond simple surface level checking. It looks at writing patterns, tone consistency, predictability, and structure. Then we have human versus AI content breakdown. This is useful because you do not only get one score, you get a clearer view of how much content looks AI, mixed, or human. Then there is multiple language support. So users writing in different languages can still check their content. CopyChecker can also detect content from multiple AI tools including ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, Mistral, and more. You also get detailed analysis reports which are useful for students, teachers, writers, editors, and professional teams. And the tool is fast. You can scan content and get results within seconds. Now let's talk about who actually needs this. Because this is not only for students, it is also for teachers, writers, editors, search engine optimization teams, marketers, and agencies. Anyone works with written content can use this as quality control step. Who uses AI content detector? For students, CopyChecker helps you self-check your essays, assignments, research papers, and citations before submission. If your writing sounds too AI-like, you can catch it early. For educators and teachers, it helps review essays, homework, take-home exams, and research papers. But again, the tool should support review, not replace human judgment. For content creators and writers, this helps check freelancer submissions, brand voice consistency, and content authenticity. For publishers and editors, it helps protect editorial standards before publishing. For SEO professionals and marketers, this is useful for checking blog quality, outsourced content, and brand content standards. If you manage many writers, this can save a lot of review time. CopyChecker also gives other writing tools that work together. There is the plagiarism checker to detect copied content, grammar checker to fix grammar, spelling, punctuation, and readability issues, essay title generator to create title ideas. So the AI detector is not alone. It fits inside a full writing workflow. You can detect AI, check plagiarism, improve grammar, and polish your writing at the same time. Now let's quickly explain the pricing. CopyChecker has a free plan. In the free plan, you get monthly words for different tools. For AI detector, you get 500 words per month. This is good if you only need to test small content. Then there is Creator Suite. This is the recommended plan. Monthly, it shows $14.99 per month. Yearly, it becomes $12.50 per month. Billed yearly. With Creator Suite, you get Grammar Checker, Unlimited Words, Plagiarism Checker, Paraphraser, AI Humanizer, and AI Detector. This is the best option if you use multiple writing tools. Then there is Pick Your Own plan. This is for users who want to customize. For example, if someone only needs AI Detector, they can choose AI Detector individually. If someone only needs Plagiarism Checker, they can choose only that. Monthly or yearly options are available. So this is better if you do not need the full writing suite and only want specific tools. There is also a Creator Suite welcome bonus. If you upgrade to Creator Suite before using free words, you can receive an extra word bonus for the first month. This includes extra words for tools like Paraphraser, Plagiarism Checker, AI Detector, and AI Humanizer. So for users who plan to use multiple tools, Creator Suite gives more value. If you run out of AI detector words, you can buy more. For AI detector, there are one-time top-ups. You can buy 5,000 extra words or 10,000 extra words. This is useful when you have one large report, thesis section or batch of content to check. You do not always need to change your whole plan. You can simply add more words for the tool you need. Here is the simple way to choose. If you only need AI detector, pick your own plan. If you also need plagiarism checking, grammar checking, paraphrasing, AI humanizing, Creator Suite is the better deal because you get the full writing workflow in one plan. AI tools are useful, but your writing still needs to feel real, clear, and trustworthy. CopyChecker's AI detector helps you check that before someone else questions it. So, before you publish, deliver, or submit your next draft, run a quick AI check. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, stay with us.